there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a simple cow. So here you can see that I'm using my black marker to draw the simple cow. I'm starting with its head. Here's its ears and two tiny horns. These are tiny eyes. Now let's draw its body. This is its leg. Here's a tiny tail. Now I'm drawing another leg. Here's the third one. And this is the fourth one. Let's do the coloring. To do the coloring, I'm using my gray pen. Now I'm using my pink pen. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.